Greetings everyone, WhiteMage34 here, welcoming y'all back to the kitchen. On the next page of the cookbook, let's go with the new Let's Get Cooking. Chili sauce shrimp. Alright, peel the shrimp. My worst nightmare made real. I suck at peeling shrimp so much. Like, if a guy asks me to peel his shrimp, I freak the fuck out. Because I'm this bad at it. Oh, hey, my first gold in peeling shrimp. Sweet. Alright, so far so good. Nope. Oil, Cosmosa, sugar, soy sauce. Alright, now we have to mix everything together. Saute. Alright. Ah, Mama's mad. I killed it. Alright. Shrimp. Chili sauce shrimp. In 83. It's edible. So like, comment, subscribe, check out my socials in the description below, and I will see y'all at the next recipe.